In any case, the especially token really began getting forward momentum again in July and essentially has supported a portion of these increases into August, which is very critical. This explicitly followed OpenSea declaring Polygon support for its new Seaport protocol, bringing certainly more non-fungible really token, NFT, utility to the blockchain. Might the token at any point get back on a development direction, and what the future holds for the Polygon, Matic, cost expectation in 2022 and then some? We should generally in a real sense investigate Polygon's beginnings. Polygon, recently known as Matic Network, is the first simple-to-involve stage for Ethereum scaling and foundation advancement, which is very huge. Established by Jamie Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, Anurag Arjun and Mihailo Bjelic in 2017, it needs to truly make Ethereum an undeniable multi-chain framework, or so they thought. In the recent years, Ether, ETH, especially has commonly turned into the second, certainly the greatest digital currency by market capitalization and the innovator in decentralized finance, DeFi, because of its similarity with actually by and large savvy contracts, which really make building decentralized applications, dApps, kind of in every practical sense, simple in a significant way, or so they for the most part thought. Be that as it may, ETH's developing fame generally has likewise made the blockchain a lot harder to utilize fundamentally on account of rising gas charges and exorbitant traffic in an unobtrusive manner. That, notwithstanding low throughput and no power, really has prompted the production of Polygon. What in a real sense is Polygon, Matic, in an unpretentious way, in spite of mainstream thinking amazingly? Utilizing the motto worked by engineers, for designers, Polygon has in a real sense figured out how to join all current Ethereum devices with quicker and less expensive exchanges, especially truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Polygon's key elements include fast, especially certainly modest and essentially safe exchanges on Polygon sidechains that by and large generally are concluded on the Ethereum main chain, high throughput and multi-chain exchanges, really smooth client experience, public sidechains that help various conventions. Since sending off, Polygon has truly generally empowered clients to foster almost 20,000 dApps, pulled in more than 130 million remarkable clients, experienced north of 3 million kind of everyday exchanges and facilitated over 3.4 billion exchanges in a significant manner. Polygon's local cryptographic money, known as Matic, is an ERC20 symbolic running on the Ethereum organization, which generally is genuinely critical, which is very huge. The Matic crypto explicitly basically is utilized to pay expenses on the Polygon organization, and for marking and administration, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. There in every practical sense, are a truly all things considered, limit of 10 billion Matic tokens that can be delivered, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking in a significant way. More than 8 billion explicitly are as of now available for use, as per information given by CoinMarketCap, starting around August 31, 2022 in an actually fundamentally huge manner. Matic right now by and large basically has a market capitalization of more than $7 billion and actually really is positioned as the 12th, essentially the greatest token. Will Matic go up or down in a significant manner? Amazingly. Specialized viewpoint. The Matic crypto sent off 2 years after Polygon for the most part was established through in every practical sense, starting trade offering, IEO, on the Binance crypto trade stage in an unpretentious manner. After its send-off in 2019, the token battled to rise, moving sideways and fluctuating somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents for the following 2 years in an unpretentious manner. Notwithstanding, the Polygon digital currency in every practical sense, began to build up momentum toward the beginning of February 2021, taking off to new cost levels by May that very year. In only 4 weeks, between April 22, 2021 and May 18, 2021, the Matic cost generally truly flooded by 602%, up from 35 cents to a then record high of $2.45. In spite of its transitory achievement, The Matic decently most certainly token especially dropped to $1.09, however in a real sense figured out how to bounce back to $2.21 by May 26, 2021, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following May's highs, the Polygon coin cost generally truly battled through an unstable truly ride. It then, at that point, generally most certainly hit another record high of $2.88 on December 26, 2021, following news that the main Ethereum app, Uniswap, in a real sense had sent off on Polygon, as opposed to prevalent thinking. From that point forward, notwithstanding, the extremely token has been on a negative pattern, as seen on the diagram above, with its cost losing over portion of its worth from the record high, dropping $1.3802 by March 15, 2022 in the midst of international strains and the Russian intrusion of Ukraine in an unobtrusive manner, or so they explicitly thought. In the wake of seeing certainly minor increases toward the finish of March and start of April 2022, the digital currency in every way that really matters, plunged by, tumbling from its $1.6888 especially high on April 3, 2022 to its $0.6015 kind of falling short on May 12, 2022, somewhere near 64.3% in a significant manner, which is genuinely critical. Matic's plunge essentially generally was to a great extent impacted by essentially more extensive kind of negative crypto market opinion that generally saw Bitcoin, BTC, the greatest fundamentally especially token by market capitalization, fall underneath $27,000 and the Terra Luna breakdown. Ongoing Polygon, Matic, news, as opposed to prevalent thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. In the wake of going as far as a low of 32 cents on 18th of June, Matic has begun making gains once more, which is genuinely critical. It by and large certainly moved to a pinnacle of $1 toward the finish of July and entirely the most part has been fluctuating around the 80 cents mark in August, or so they generally thought. As per Citigroup's Metaverse and Money report, Layer 2 Ethereum arrangements like Polygon will for the most part proceed to see broad reception given the by and large low winning gas costs on the Polygon organization, solid client reception, and the developing engineer environment and decentralized applications currently accessible on Polygon and kind of other Level 2s. The new OpenSea support and the stages certainly in a real sense the most recent breakout appear to by and large be fueling the bull case for the Matic coin, in accordance with predominantly exceptionally kind of peppy expectations from calculation-based estimating locales incredibly amazingly in a real sense. In any case, there are somewhat many variables at play for the eventual fate of the coin, from the exceptionally generally speaking macroeconomic climate to acknowledgement of the crypto markets and the